here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you guys a day-to-night makeup look. This is already a nighttime makeup look. Obviously, look at those lashes. But this video is just showing you guys how you can transform your daytime look to nighttime. And this is going to be very, very simple because alam nyo naman hindi ako pro. Alam ko mas marami sa inyo mas magaling sa akin. And that's okay. So yeah, hindi na ako magpapaligoy. I do not know. Without further ado, I will go ahead and start with the daytime makeup look. I already have foundation and I also already filled in my brows. So here I'm applying the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have mine in the shade 03. Then I will set my foundation with this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I also already applied concealer under my eyes na hindi ko napakita kanina. But yeah, so onto the eye makeup look. I'm gonna start with the primer. This one is from Too Faced. This is their Shadow Insurance Primer. And then for the eyeshadow palette, I will be using Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Eyeshadow Palette. I'm starting off with this Coconut Creme shade. I'm just applying that all over the lids para maset yung primer na nilagay ko kanina. And then I will go ahead and use the shade Mousse as my transition shade and just apply that on the crease area, just blending it like so. And then I'm gonna take this shade Truffled and apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid right there. I'm slowly building up the color right here. I didn't really want this look to be like super dark tingnan. And then taking this shade Puddin', I'm applying it on pretty much the same area pero mas focused siya sa very outer corner. Tapos like that upper crease right there, not like all the way in but just the outer crease. And then I'm going back to the shade Coconut Creme and apply this on the inner half of my eyelid, and also I'm applying a little bit of that on my inner corners. And then I went back to the shade Puddin' and applied that shade on my lower lash line, on the outer lower lash line. And then I am using this Sephora eyeliner in the shade Maroon Brown and just apply it on my upper waterline. And now I'm curling my lashes and apply my mascara, and that's basically it for the eyes. Now I proceed to the blush. I'm using here the Too Faced Sweethearts blush in the shade Something About Berry and just applying that on my cheeks. And also I cannot forget my highlighter. I'm using here the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop and just applying that on the cheek area right there, on the bridge of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow as well. Now onto the lips. I'm using this Suiva lip crayon in the shade Tender Rose, and as you guys can see, the shade is very glossy. So I went ahead and take a tissue, put it over my lips, and then dust my lips with a loose powder. And yeah, it should help your lipstick look like not as glossy, you know what I mean? And that's the daytime makeup look. Now onto the nighttime makeup look. I'm gonna start by exfoliating my lips using this Ilia exfoliator because I will be using a darker lip color for our nighttime makeup look, and I want to make sure that my lips are well taken care of. Then going back to the eyes, I will be using the same palette, and then I'm taking the shade Puddin' and use it as a transition color. So darker na yung transition shade natin. And then I'm taking the shade Licorice and apply it on the very outer corner of my eyes. I'm building up the color as you guys can see here. Just blend hanggang sa makuha mo yung intensity na gusto mo. And then I'm just using a clean blending brush here and just blending the eyeshadows just para walang harsh line. And then I'm taking the shade Frosting and apply it on the inner half of the eyelid. And then taking the shade Coconut Creme again, I am just applying that on the inner corners. And then I went ahead and take the shade Licorice again and apply that on the very outer corner of my lower lash line. And then with the shade Butter Pecan, I am applying that on my brow bone para ma-highlight yung brow bone. And then I'm just reapplying my highlighter, the same highlighter that we used earlier. And now I will go ahead and apply eyelashes. I'm not gonna film this part because I know that it's gonna take me forever. But yeah, eyelashes are done. I'm curling my lashes and then also I'm applying mascara on my lower lash line. Now I'm ready for the lips. So I am just wiping off the lip exfoliator and then I will be using this Sephora Nano Lip Liner in the shade Deep Aubergine. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah. So I am just lining my lips. And as you guys can see, parang I went like almost halfway sa lips ko. Kasi gusto ko na merong parang gradient effect yung lip color ko. For the lipstick, I will use this Suiva Luxe Cream Lipstick in the shade Cooling Passion. I really like this red lipstick, you guys. And magnetic yung lid niya. So it's just a plus for me. Anyway, I will just go ahead and apply that on my lips, and this is the gradient effect that I'm talking about earlier. And here I am just applying concealer on the lower part of my lips for us to achieve that very clean and crisp red lip look. And that's basically it. Now, if you're not the red lipstick kind of girl, I got your back, girl. I have another lip color option for you. Before I go ahead and change the lip color, I am exfoliating my lips again with the same Ilia exfoliator. I will be using the Balm Matte Use, I think you pronounce that. But yeah, this is their long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Charming. I really like this. It is perfect for everyday, daytime man or nighttime makeup look man yan. I think this lip color is just perfect and I can see this working sa kahit na anong skin tone meron ka. And that's basically it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And those were the looks, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sobrang simple lang, diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Anyway, onto the giveaway. This is to celebrate my 40,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, Sephora PH, for making this huge giveaway happen. I cannot believe 2 winners will receive the prizes that I'm gonna tell you guys. This is just amazing. So 2 of you will receive 17,000 pesos worth of Too Faced makeup. Like, can you believe that? Dalawang winners, diba? Each will receive 17,000 worth of Too Faced makeup. That's amazing. For the details of the giveaway, I will leave it below para mabasa nyo, para clear sa inyo lahat. Everything will be below. Please follow the rules para makount yung entry nyo. If hindi kayo nag-follow, then sorry, hindi siya makakount. But yeah, yun yung giveaway. Again, thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers. I love you all so much. As in, sobrang salamat. And yeah, good luck. God bless sa lahat ng sasali. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, mechanics below. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, do not forget vegan. Bye!